Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. Guys, if you have any kind of DeskJet printer and you want to reset wireless settings and you want to set up this printer with the new wireless router, or you want to factory reset all network settings in this printer, I will teach you today how to reset the wireless network settings on any kind of HP DeskJet printer. And right now I have HP DeskJet 4828. Okay, so you have to press and hold wireless and cancel button simultaneously for about 5 seconds until the power button flashes. Okay, what to do? Wireless button and cancel button we will press together until this power light start flashing for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you can see wireless light start flashing. So let it be stable. Printer will automatically restart and enter into setup mode with the wireless light blinking. The wireless light blinking means printer is ready to set up. Okay, it's blinking. Look, you can see it's blinking, and wireless direct turned off. So now I will set up a Wi-Fi with my router, this printer. Okay, this is, look, appeared HP setup DeskJet D14800. I will click on. Now we will enter into HP app. HP app, download it from App Store. This is a new version of HP app. I will press on this plus button and I will click on setup a new printer. Then I will click on setup. It's searching the Wi-Fi networks around my radius, and I have to select appropriate wireless router and will enter the password. So just keep waiting until it will appear the network's name. Okay, it's available networks are there. This is my network. I will enter the password. 1, 2, 3. You have to select your network and enter the correct password and press done. Now you can see it's showing printer found, preparing the printer, then getting the IP address and finish connections. So this is the method we can set up this DeskJet printer with Wi-Fi router. Now it's asking me to press the I button. I light is blinking. I will press I button, and it's now getting the IP addresses. In this video, you learn how to factory reset wireless settings and how to set up this printer with a new Wi-Fi router. It's asking me to join. I will say join. Why it's not showing unable to join? But you can see on this screen, this is stable. Wireless signal stable. It means it's successfully connected. Okay. Okay. Exit setup from here. Continue. Okay. Now how to see it's connected with our router or not? I will open any picture in my phone, like screenshots. This is the picture. Okay, I will click on this button, then I will go print, and suppose the printer should appear here, and you can see printer is appeared in my printing options. I will select 4800 and I will click on print, contacting printer. So we have to wait. And you can see print power light start blinking and printer is feeding the paper. This was the method. Second method is, if you want to print, you can use HP Smart app also. Rather than to print directly from here, you have to use click on print with HP app. If you have multiple files, I will suggest you to print with HP app. I will cancel the previous order. Click from here. You will find the printer should be light green. Now this is yellow. I don't know why. click on print. This method is with HP print app, and suppose it should, please wait on the screen. And now also printer light start blinking and it's feeding the paper. Hope you understand it. If you have any other question, you can ask down in the comments. Thank you for watching. All the best.